Alright, y'all, back on another site. It's Monday, December 30th. We all the way out in Frederick, Maryland. We installing two 1 million flag rolls with a 550 frost fighter. Basically two different buildings. It's an apartment building. I don't know if you can see that clearly behind me. I'm about to walk up on the unit. They're booming it up right now. It's windy as shit. So they're booming it up right now. I'm gonna get y'all some shots. These are the propane tanks right here behind me. This building isn't done yet, so we're not doing this building. So what we're doing right now is hooking up the 1 million flake rolls with this Y splitter. We're gonna go right into this first floor door and then up to that third floor window. Got a hose reach down to that unit all the way down there, about 200 feet, hit into these 3,000-gallon tanks right here with that red regulator. We got plugged into here. I'm putting the flex hose to this T. From the T, we're gonna run it to right here. The regulator is gonna be right here. And tap it right there. And then we're gonna drop the ducts. One into there, and then go up there to that one. So we're connecting the 24-inch by 25 duct. We're gonna drop it out to this unit. As you see, we put the Y upside down, so the high floor can go straight to the unit, and the first floor can go right up to the bottom one. This is just what it looks like from up top. All right, so we almost finishing up. We got one tank over here that's 1,000 gallon going to this frost fighter. We got these 12 by 25 inch ducts going into there, and then one up there. There's stuff over here. The frost fighter 500, not 550. My bad, connected to a propane regulator. Let's go over to the other units to look what we had. Today wasn't too bad. It's not that cold, it's not raining or nothing. So we actually had a cool day. So as y'all see, we got the hose connected to the tank. Close this. Boom. And then this is the setup right here. First and third floor, that Y splitter. We had the T to hit this unit. I'm gonna come back and tighten that in. Back and tie that in all the way to the second unit, same setup. And as I said, we flip the Y upside down. Since we're coming in through the bottom, we can just loop right in. There's no cutoffs to the heat, to the airflow. Bang, right into that window. I'm gonna go in and add a piece of duct to there. Let's see if we're tight on this. And we are. Propane setup. And that's it.